Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, in the chapter Protecting Our Environment, we had concluded with the 3 R's, that is, reduce, reuse, and recycle, which is helpful in saving our environment. So, as we ended up this chapter, in the coming class, we will do the revision of this chapter and we'll discuss the exercise part questions. So for this, let us recall the topics which are being discussed in this chapter, that is protecting our environment. In this chapter, students, they have given two pictures. One is representing with lots of factories and smokes, dust, everything. And the other picture there, it is been filled with the greenery. So which is better for the human life? So the right side one is the better for the living beings, as the environment keeps better, and it will be helpful for the life of the human beings living on the earth. Suppose if we are choosing the A picture, it's going to be harmful, it is going to be presents pollution, creates pollutions, and it will be poisonous to the life of living beings which are living on the earth. So, dear children, next we will see the meaning of environment. So, the surroundings in which we live is called our environment. So, in our environment, what are all the things we see generally? Living and non living things like air, water, land, plants, and animals. So, these are the things which have life and which doesn't have the life also included in our environment. Natural things and the man-made things are included in our environment. So in addition to this, the substance or the things which are going to be harmful the environment, we call it as pollution. The things which are going to pollute the environment are those called pollutants. So dear students, next we'll see about the meaning of types of pollutions. Basically, increase in the polluted environment, we generally come across four types of pollutions. So these, when the surrounding is been filled with the harmful substance, we call it as pollution. So what are the kinds of pollution? We saw air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. That is, the natural resources is going to be polluted, and these natural resources are air, water, land pollutions. Noise pollution is created by us only. Correct. What is air pollution? So when the way which is provided for the which is helpful for the which is not going to be harmful for the human beings, it is a good air. What is bad air? The air which is filled up with the harmful gases, smoke, dust, and other particles which gets with the mixed with the air, and it is going to be called as air pollution. Then how did this air pollution causes? Generally, dear students, the pollution causes health ailments or health diseases, health problems like what? Like asthma, cough, and skin allergies. So, if the air is not being polluted, it's helpful for the human beings. If the air is going to be polluted, as a human beings will have health, mainly our health is going to be upset, and we'll have to face the cough and skin allergies and asthma and other, not only these causes, we'll have the even our other body parts will also gets filled with the diseases day by day, as the main survival for the human being is air. It's if the air itself is been polluted, how the human being's life can be settled properly? So we should never pollute the air, and we should never do such activities. Other else or else it is going to be harmful for the life of the human beings. Next is causes for the air pollution. What would be the causes? How does this air pollution occurs? Due to the smokes or the gases which are released from the huge factories and the vehicles, and also from the burning of fossil fuels and the wood, and bursting of firecrackers during the festival times, and deforestation, that is cutting down of trees for the human purpose will cut down the trees, but how can we get the fresh air? We should never do that such activities. and even from the natural causes like volcanic eruption, forest fire, sandstorms, and pollen from the flowers. So, children, next is under the pollution is water pollution. When the water is contaminated or polluted, like rivers, lakes, and oceans are covered by dirty, it is called water pollution. So, these kind of water, if we are consuming, and mainly your health is going to be harmful. It creates skin allergies and air fallness and cough, mainly the skin allergies, hair loss, some other diseases also, not only for the human beings.